Hi guys, welcome to the Unreal Engine for Beginners series, and today we're going to add some new content or new assets from the marketplace. So before you start your project or the project that we've been working on, I would like you to go to the marketplace and then find some assets for you to download. I'll be using the free furniture pack, which I'm hoping is still free and still available. If it isn't, then just find something that you like, something that has some objects that you can use in your game. Once you've gone through the checkout process, and if it's free, then it's super easy to do, then it should appear in your vault. So find the pack that you downloaded or the one that you obtained, and then click Add to Project. Then you'll need to select the project you're adding to, which is First Person Test in our case. And then once you click Add, it should download and install the files. I already done that before, so I don't need to reinstall anything. Then you can go to the editor, and then you should be able to find your free furniture pack or whatever it is that you installed at the top level, the content directory. So what we're going to do here is just add a bunch of stuff to our level, and that will be it. So we'll be doing some designing in this video, and then in the next one we'll use what we learned earlier, which is raycasting / line tracing, and then try to interact with things like drawers, for example. So let's add something into our level. Let's go to meshes and find, yeah, let's go over here. So I'm going to move my player character. Where is it? That one, first person character. I want to move this guy over here. So we're going to, by changing where the first person character is, also changing the start location. Yeah, I'm going to start the game over here. I'm trying to click the wrong arrow. That means we're going to do some decor in this corner. So let's pick this classic chair and just drag it into the viewport. It will do some shader compilation for all the materials that this chair has, and then you should be able to see it in the game, which is nice. So let's place a chair here. What else do we have? Let's go with this armchair. Looks very nice. Let's rotate it. The hotkey for rotation, if you still remember it, it's E, and then W to select the translation. Let's just place it here. And then let's see if we can find a table. It's got to be a table, right? Let's go with that. Yeah, that's a nice looking table. A bit big, do you think? Should we scale it down a little bit? Yeah. And possibly another chair. Just rotate it so it faces the table that we have here. There we go. Yeah, just like that. It's not too bad. It's functional, shall we say. And then you'll see a kind of a warning appear that lightning needs to be rebuilt. And if you want it to go away, you can click this arrow near the build and then build lighting only, which will make the error go away essentially. What else? Let's put a bunch of stuff here. There we go. Got a painting, some sort, picture. Let's hang it on the wall. Nope, I did not mean to do that. I'm going to find my picture. There we go. If you have trouble placing it, you could change the snap to grid value to 1, and then if you translate it, then it should be pretty much perfect. Yeah, that'll do. I'm not too worried about placing it perfectly. So we got a picture on the wall, and then we got some tables. We got a table and then chairs and an armchair. Let's get a TV. Yeah, let's get a TV going here. I'll just wall mount the TV, although it looks like something that should stand, but that'll do. Yeah, that's perfect. As if there's something is on the wall that's holding the TV, and you know that there isn't anything there, but that'll do. That's fine. And we can even shoot some stuff. Okay, cool. So we'll be doing a lot more functionality related stuff in terms of logic, in terms of how these things behave in your game. Now in this video, we've added new assets from the marketplace to our project, and we then added them to our game. And in the next video, we'll get to play around with their behavior. See you then, and thanks for watching.